Welcome back to 10 Slate Info. One of the major achievements for any fighter program is to come up with a flying test bed. Test bed aircrafts are mainly used for flight research or for testing the aircraft concepts and onboard equipments. These could be specially designed or modified fighters from a serial production aircraft. To be more precise, in development of new aircrafts, a test bed is normally fitted with an engine, new instrumentation wiring and equipment, fuel system and piping, as well as other integral structure fittings to test fly the entire aircraft to check its performance. The reason for suddenly speaking about a flying test bed is due to the recent update from HAL regarding the Tejas Mark 1A flying test bed. The Hindustan Aeronautics Limited chairman and managing director, who is R. Madhavan, recently confirmed that the Tejas Mark 1A will take to air by March 2022 tentatively. HAL has come up with a flying test bed using one of the FOC Tejas Mark 1 aircraft that has been designed to be used for the mentioned purpose. Tejas Mark 1A is an enhanced Tejas Mark 1 which is equipped with ELM 2052 and Uttam AESA radar, self-protection jammer, radar warning receiver, as well as being able to mount an external ECM pod. As per the defense sources, it looks like the Tejas Mark 1A fighter is presently undergoing fitment of the Israeli AESA fire control radar and self-protection jammer on an external pod. All this urgency is due to the order placed by Indian Air Force for 83 Tejas fighters, which includes 73 single-seat Mark 1A and 10 two-seat Mark 1 trainers. HAL is supposed to deliver these fighters by end of 2029 tentatively. It is said that HAL plans to deliver the first two Tejas Mark 1A fighters by March 2024 and 8 by March 2025 tentatively. Even though the delivery is being given required attention, HAL is also making sure these Tejas fighters are combat ready with required and expected integration with missiles and other bombs. And this is just like the Rafale and Sukhoi Su-30MK fighters of Indian Air Force fleet. I've already uploaded a video on HAL's intention to test fire the DRDO developed smart anti-airfield weapon using the Tejas fighters. And you can find the link to that particular video in the top right I button. As of now, this weapon can be launched from Jaguar, Sukhoi Su-30 MKI and Hawk 132 aircraft. In future, there are plans to integrate this weapon with the recently inducted Dassault Rafale and Tejas Mark 1A. The main reason to integrate the DRDO's smart anti-airfield weapon is to enhance its capability to strike ground targets, and it is said that the trials might begin before the end of 2021. As per the sources of defense and HAL, looks like the Tejas Mark 1A flying test bed rollout will happen at the end of 2021, and this flying test bed will be used for next 18 months from the day of its first flight to validate most of the upgrades and changes. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slate Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.